Hey all, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel again. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and before going into the kitchen, I like to sit down with a glass of warm water. And these days, I am even trying to note down the topics on which I have to make the videos for YouTube, because I feel that early morning our mind is fresh and we can get more productive ideas and thoughts. It's mid of the week, and here I'm doing the preparations for my kids' lunchbox. For lunch today, I'll be preparing a simple chicken keema along with some parathas. For this, in a pan, I have added some oil and then added 2 medium-sized chopped onions. I'll cook until the onions start turning brown, and then add the chopped mint leaves and green chilies. I'll cook it for a while and then add the tomatoes. When the tomatoes start getting soft, at this stage I'll add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'll mix all the masalas along with the onions and tomatoes and then add the chicken mince into it. I'll mix the chicken with the masalas nicely and then cook it on low to medium flame until the chicken is cooked perfectly. Meanwhile, I'll make the parathas. Now, I do preparations a night before itself so that I can start my morning in a peaceful and organized way. Usually in the winters, I try to pack the chapatis or the parathas for my kids' lunchbox. Now, my son, whatever I pack for the lunch, he finishes it. But my daughter is a picky eater, so I have to find the other ways so that she can finish her lunch every day. Now, as soon as you prepare any paratha, if you fold it in such a way, it stays soft for a longer period of time. Now, instead of preparing the chicken keema, in the same manner, you can even prepare the paneer bhuji. Now, here I have squeezed half a lemon and then added a handful of coriander leaves. Now, at this stage, I will add 4 tablespoons of milk so that the chicken stays soft. I will now close the lid and cook for 2 minutes, then switch off the flame. Now, while doing cooking, I try to do the cleaning too, like keeping the things back at their places. For breakfast, I am giving them the milk and the sheermal bread. Now, this sheermal bread along with milk is my kids' one of their favorite breakfast. Now, in winter, especially, I feel very sad for my kids because they have to get up early in the morning and prepare for their school. Now, winter brings a lot of hassles with it. The skin of the kids, especially in winter, goes very dry. So, I try to apply the moisturizer before the kids leave to school. As soon as the kids leave to school, I finished all my house chores and it's a time for my breakfast. Today, I'm also having the chai shirmal bread for the breakfast. Now, during the winters, I like to sit behind my balcony and have my breakfast because I feel a bit warmer here. After finishing our breakfast, we then came to IKEA. Actually, my husband had some work, so I came along with him so that I can have a look at it. Now, Christmas decorations was all over the place. Because it was early morning, it was completely empty. Now, this is the lamp that I have in my kitchen. I bought it at offer price, but I think now the price has changed. Even the food court was completely empty. Now in IKEA, I like to check it out on the kitchen items. So first of all, I found these two kitchen scissors and they were at offer price. Actually, I wanted to buy these quarter blades from a long time and they were at offer price. So this was the reason that I came to IKEA today. Now I really loved these plant pots. Actually, they were in the Christmas colors. I have planned to change the curtains of my home today, and I have removed the previous curtains a day before itself, and I'll hang these curtains today. Now, I feel it's better to maintain a 1 to 2 pair of extra curtains at home. Using the same curtains throughout the year may damage the quality of the curtains. I feel that changing the curtains for 1 to 2 months brings newness to your home. Now, if you wonder from where we got these curtains, actually, we got it custom made from a local shop in a Charminar, and the sheer curtains are from IKEA. For lunch today, I am preparing the Hyderabadi red chicken. For this, in 1 kg of chicken, I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this is for the color. Half teaspoon of whole black pepper powder, along with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now in this I will also add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now I have fried 2 onions and added them into this. Now I will also add 3 tablespoon of curd. I will now mix all the spices with the chicken very nicely. Now we have to keep this chicken marinated for at least 2 hours. Now here I have taken 8 to 10 cashew nuts along with 5 to 6 almonds and some dried coconut. I'll roast them for 5 minutes and then take it out in a plate. I will now add it into a mixer grinder and make a fine paste out of it. Now I will add this paste into the prepared chicken marination, and I will also add the oil in which I have fried the onions. Now we have to give it a good mix and then keep it aside for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, I will hang the curtains in the dining area and living area. Actually, I have finished my daily cleaning yesterday itself. So today I have just planned to hang the curtains. To prepare the red chicken in a wide pan, I will add 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. In this, I will now add half teaspoon of shazira and a few curry leaves. I will also add 2 sliced green chilies and then add the prepared chicken marinade. I'll mix the chicken with the oil nicely and I'll cook it on high flame for 5 minutes. Now after cooking the chicken on high flame, I will now lower the flame and close the lid and cook until the chicken is completely cooked. I will stir the chicken in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. It's a very easy recipe. You just have to prepare the marinade and put it on the stove. That's it. Now by this time the chicken has cooked completely. Now you can keep the gravy thick or thin according to your preference, but usually the red chicken that we eat in the functions or the dawats, it's very thick in gravy so that we can eat with the chapati. At last I'll add a handful of coriander leaves. I'll mix it nicely. I will now close the lid and cook on a low flame for 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. As you can see, the oil has started to appear on the top. At this stage, you have to switch off the flame. It's a very easy yet delicious recipe. Do try it and do let me know in the comment section. Now let me show you the things that I bought from IKEA. As I have shown, I have bought these 2 scissors. Actually, it was on very good offer price, so I bought it. This is the oil pourer. Actually, I had one before, but during the shift and I think it has disappeared somewhere, so I bought the another one. Now these are the quarter plates that I actually wanted to buy from IKEA. They came in a set of 4. Actually the before price was 1200 and today I bought it for only 900 because there was some offer going on the crockery, especially in the IKEA. Now each plate has a different design but of same color. So this was it for today's video. I hope you all have liked my vlog. If so, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll meet you all in my next vlog. Until then, stay safe and happy.